Hi, my name is Ranvijay. Today we will focus on steps required for installation of nodeJs. Node.js is required for programming for backend purpose or the server side programming. In this course, we will go through all the setups required to start with the programming of Node.js. So first of all, we need one of the IDE, and so we will prefer Visual Studio Code. So I have described the download link from where we can download. It's the official website of Visual Studio Code. We can download the free version from there. So let's go to the browser and go to the Visual Studio Code and just give this URL code.visualstudio.com/downloads. And based upon your operating system, you can download the specific version of Visual Studio Code. So for my case, I'm using Windows. So for Windows, I will go with Windows 7, 8, Windows 7, 8 or 10. It's the same file. So click on your which configuration your system is. So I'm having 64 bits, so I will click on this one, and after that you will able to save your file. So I have already downloaded my file, so you can see a file like this will be here, downloaded here. After this, just double tap on this one and just follow uh, any Windows software installation, whatever the steps they are providing you, just follow on, and eventually you will able to install Visual Studio on your system. I have already installed Visual Studio on my system, so I will not continue with this process. For your help, just follow whatever the mm, permission or access or button there it is asking in the description section to click, and you will able to install Visual Studio Code. After installing Visual Studio Code, we need Node.js on our system. So for Node.js, we need Node.js as well as npm. For Node.js downloads, visit the official website of Node.js. HTTP is nodejs.org/en/downloads. When you go visit this website, you will see this download page something like this one. So we have two kind of version. One is LTS version, another is the latest one. So don't download the latest one, as there might be some bug, or it might be in the Vita phase. So just go one or two version earlier. So I will recommend LTS version. So based upon your operating system, select the software. Um, Again, mine is Windows and 64-bit, so I will go with this one. Click on this one, and again you will able to download Node.js on your system. Nowadays, Node.js comes with inbuilt npm, so you don't need to download npm from another source. So when you install Node.js, by default npm will get installed. So click on this one, double tap on Node.js, and again follow the standard Windows procedure to install a file, and you will able to install. Again, Node.js already installed in my system, so I will not be doing this one. So I will cancel this one. Just follow whatever the instruction provided by Node.js in the installation window. After installation of Node.js, uh, we will require some database connectivity. So for our course, we will stick with MongoDB. MongoDB comes in two versions. One is the paid, another is the cognitive version, which is free. So we will go with the community version as it is free. So again, we will visit the official website of MongoDB. MongoDB, which is https://www.mongodb.com/try/download/community. Visit over here. You will see cloud version of Mongo is there on premises and tools. Just browse down. You will see what is the version number you want to download, platform, and the MSI package MSI or GIF you want to word. Just go with the default setting. Latest version of MongoDB 4.2.0 on the Windows system and the MSI package. Click download. You will able to download MongoDB setup. Again, double tap on MongoDB software. You will again be given pop-up like any Windows setup. Just follow on the instruction. You will able to install MongoDB. After that, we need Postman to test our APIs that we will be developing throughout this courses. Throughout this course, what Postman does? Postman provides you a window where you will type your URL or the API and its corresponding input based upon what type of request is there, that one. Either it is get, put, post, delete. Based upon that, you will send the API and it will give you the response. It's for the testing purpose. So whenever you are consuming any API, you need to test is that API working or not. Then you should use that API in your code. Or when you are developing a API, so you should again test your API through Postman. So when you completed developing of a API, you should test your API with Postman or any other third-party software. We will prefer Postman. And to download Postman, we will go to its official site https www.postman.com/downloads. From here, again, we visit its official website, and from there we will download the software. Again, we will download it and install, just like any Windows software. Just follow the instruction. You will able to install. Postman already I have installed, so just follow the instruction. You will able to install. So after installing all these softwares, we need to configure. So if we are running some commands, how the system knows where those specific software lies, just like nodeJs or npm or MongoDB, because we have just downloaded in one of the folder, not throughout the system. So we need to tell the system where to find those softwares. So those configuration will be required for Node.js as well as MongoDB. Let's go to configuration of environment variables. So visit visit the Windows Explorer. Probably we all will be downloading our software into program files in the C drive. So those files will be present in program files. Over here you can see the folder MongoDB. Inside MongoDB you will see servers, and inside servers you will see the version number. Then you will see bin folder. Make a note of this one. We will be using this. Uh, we will be using this path to set the environment variable for MongoDB. The same thing we will be doing for Node.js. Open another window. In that one, we will browse, look for Node.js. Again, go to the program files and look for Node.js. We have Node.js over here, and we can see all this installation has been done over here. Now we need to go to environment variable settings. Go to my computer, right click, properties. A pop-up will come like this. Go to advanced system settings, click on this, go to environment variables. Over here in the system variables section, in the environment variables window, you will see two sections. One is the user variable, another is the system variable. In system variable, look for the path variable name and go for edit. Over here, you will be providing where you have installed your nodeJs and MongoDB. As you can see, I have already mentioned over here where I have installed nodeJs and where have I installed MongoDB. So just go on new, visit this MongoDB folder, copy this path till bin, paste it in environment variables. So this will tell the system that MongoDB is present at this location. Similarly, we will do for Node.js. And Node.js we have installed in program file slash Node.js. So just copy till this location, program file slash Node.js. And again go new, paste it over here, press OK, it will be saved. I have already given this to, so I am not pressing OK. So for you, when you add, just press OK. This thing will get added to your environment variables. To cross check that everything is working on our system, that Node.js and npm has been already installed on our system, we need to go to command prompt, go to Windows icon, type cmd or look for cmd and open cmd. To test is node installed, we will give the command node -v. It will tell you which version of node is installed on your system. If you are saying the version number, then you are good to go. Else, yeah, you might have done some mistakes, so please go back and process again. To check npm is present on our system or not, give the command npm -v. Just give some time to system to recognize this command. So we can see npm has been installed with the version 6.13.7. To update the npm package, we can give the command npm install npm @latest -j, which means this npm will be installed at global level by providing the tag G. Press enter, your npm will get updated with the latest version. That's all we need with respect to Node.js. Then we will see how to run Mongo on our system. Give the command MongoD. So MongoD will execute Mongo server on our system. Press the command enter. By running MongoDB, we are facing some issue. The issue is that when you are running Mongo, where will we be saving your data? So for that, we need to create a folder. So we will go to the C drive, create a folder with the name data. Inside C drive, create a folder named data. So all your data, database and table will be saved over here. Now copy this path, C:/data, and go to CMD. This time give the command mongo d space hyphen db path equal to quotation, opening quotation, path name, closing quotation, and run this command. So by running this command, we can see a Mongo server will run on some port. Just have a look. This one. So this is just the server. To execute our MongoDB shell commands, we need to open another command prompt. As this window will keep on running for Mongo server. Open another command prompt. Over there, we just need to give the command mongo to run Mongo shell. Mongo. Over here, we can see MongoDB is running on the local host and port number 27017. And over here, we can see we can give any commands to provided by MongoDB. Let's keep the command so database. Instead of giving so database, we need to give so DBs. So all the database present in our system will be listed over here. So we can conclude MongoDB is working on our system. Now we will try to open Visual Studio through command prompt. So we will disconnect this Mongo database shell by giving the command Control C, and it will get disconnected. Keep Control C and it get disconnected. To launch Visual Studio Code, we just need to type dot space code or code space dot. After giving the command code space dot, Visual Studio Code will get launched, and we will do all our codings in Visual Studio for our server-side programming based out of nodeJs. nodeJs will use JavaScript while programming. So we will write few of the JavaScript codes over there also. In the next lecture, we will create a sample API using Node.js, and that we will test on localhost how that API is behaving. That's all from my side. Thank you so much. To support my channel, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to receive latest video from my side. This is Ranvijay signing off. Thank you.